Hi everyone, welcome back. We are in week 1 of a brand new voyage. This one's going to be a little bit different than our previous ones because we have 4 items that we're going to accomplish on this voyage. We're going to pay off $300 to the American Express for Voyage 3. Voyage 4 is an overdraft line of credit for $506. We have Voyage 5 of $975 for a dryer. And then we have Voyage 6, a car for $1,875. And then we hope to get these accomplished by February 2nd or at the latest February 9th. So it gives us 6 to 7 weeks to get these items paid off. So we'll see what happened for week 1. We start off by having a paycheck of $1,902.16. And then we apply that on our line of credit 1. At the time, the balance was $11,619.04. So then we put $950 aside for next week. We paid $28.14 in interest, and then we took out $925 for expenses, giving us a balance of $10,670.02. Now it shows available as $1,329.98. And that is because it's including the actual available of $379.98 plus the $950 set aside. And last time we had $380.96. So we add the $2.16 from the paycheck, add the $25 that stayed in, and then subtract the interest of the $28.14, and then we get that $379.98. That's the actual available in that line of credit. So we'll move on to the weekly income, and we are back at our $950. And so then we had $25 that stayed in the line of credit 1, $125 was applied to line of credit 2, $125 to line of credit 3, and again these items are for mortgage. And then the internet needed a payment of $75. So this $75 is actually going to go to my Citibank Diamond card. So we'll apply that to the Citibank Diamond card, and then we'll use the Diamond card to pay the internet, and that gives us some more cash flow. So now the expenses are $350. So we take the income of $950, subtracting the expenses gives us a cash flow of $600. So when we went to apply the $600, you'll notice on my car payment, I normally do $260. Well, this time I did $250 because of the nice round numbers on that. And I'm going to be sending in a payment next week, and there's a 10-day grace period for the payment. So I just went ahead and did the $250 now since I'll be sending more next week. And that gives $1,625 as the new balance on the car. The dryer got a payment of $100, making that $875. The overdraft had $100 paid to that, making it $406. And the American Express started off with a $300, got a payment of $150, and now the new balance is $150. So it looks like we should have this first one paid off by next week. So within this first week, we have paid off $600. So then we move on to our Discover, where actually nothing happened other than looking at the nice shiny zeros we get from the balance transfer 1 we had already done, and then that Discover 2 balance transfer 1 that was our last zero. So this is the next 6 weeks. You're just going to have minimum payments on these items, and then that moves us on to our transaction sheet, which we have the new voyages on the bottom here. And then it showed out, we start off with $3,656, paid off $600. So now $3,056 is the new balance. So that means 16.41% has been paid off so far on this voyage. Thank you so much for joining me today. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in our next video. Thank you. Bye.